Good afternoon, children. Let us today learn about some interesting definition on our family members. The father, the mother, the sister, the brother, and the family, and the friends, the hope, and your mind, and your beautiful smile, and the beautiful who is reading this. Children, be smiling and happy.
Let us start today's session by finding the lowest common multiple by prime factorization method. Already in last classes we have found the LCM by finding the multiples and finding the common multiples, in that finding the lowest common multiple. That is one of the method. Now second method is by prime factorization, finding the LCM by prime factorization. The heading itself tells you the factor should be in prime. Now here take the numbers 12 and 30 for example. Let us find the prime factorization of 12 and 30. So we have two methods. Already we learnt in last session that we have two methods, that is one is factor tree method and another is division method. So here now we follow the division method. So find the factors of 12, that is start with the smallest number 2. 2 6 are 12. Next 6 is divisible by again 2. 2 3s are 6. 3 is not divisible by 2, so take the next number 3. 3 1s are 3. Next start finding the factors of 30. Now 2 how many are 30 children? 2 15s are 30. So 2 15s are 30. Next 15. 15 doesn't come in 2 tables, so take 3 table. 3 how many are 15? 3 5s are 15. Next 5 doesn't come in 2 table, 3 table, 4 table. So start with 5. 5 1s are 5. So now prime factorization of 12. What are the prime factorization of 12? 2 into 2 into 3. Next, what is the prime factorization of 30? 2 into 3 into 5. Now here, while finding the prime factorization, children, first round up the common thing and write once, only once. So we have common 2. So you should not write 2 into 2 again. No children. When the number is common, you have to consider only once. 2. Now 3. 3 is also common. So here we have 3 common, means you have to write only once 3. Not double 3. Only you have to consider only 1 3. Now remaining numbers are 2 and 5. So here, lowest common multiple of 12 and 30 by prime factorization is 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So what is the prime factorization of 12 and 30 is 60. Is it clear, children? When you are taking the common number, you have to consider only once and you multiply and find out the prime factorization. Next, let us solve the similar sums on the same topic. Fill in the blanks. prime factorization of 15. So you have to divide and find. You can find it by mind also. Otherwise, you can use the division method. You can use factor tree method also, children. No problem in that. But this will be more easier to find out than factor tree method. So here 15. 15 doesn't come in 2 table. So start with 3. 3 how many are 15? 3 5s are 15. Now 5 doesn't come in 3 table, 4 table. Next 5. 5 ones are 5. Next 90. So start with 2. 2 how many are 90? Or 90 divisible by 2 is 2 45s are 90. Or you can divide by this method. So by division method. 2 how many are 9? 9 doesn't come in 2 table. So take immediate less than. So 2 4s are 8. Remainder is 1. So this become 10. 2 5s are 10. Now 45 doesn't come in 2 table. So take 3 table. So start dividing first digit. That is 4. 4 doesn't come. So take less than 4 is 3. So 3 ones are 3. 1 is the remainder. 3 5s are 15. Next again take 3. 15 is divisible by 3. So 3 5s are 15. 5 comes in 5 table only. So 5 ones are 5. So now write prime factorization of 15 is 3 multiplied by 5. Next prime factorization of 90 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 5. So here you have to check which is common. Yes children, 3 is common. So now write only once. One time you write 3. Next 5 is common. Next you write 5 once. Next remaining numbers, that is 2 and 3 are the remaining numbers. So here we get LCM of 15 and 19 is 3 5s are 15, 15 2s are 30, 33s are 90. Is it clear children? Next prime factorization of 25. So here you can find the prime factorization by division method. That is, so write 25 first. Start divide by prime factorization 25. 25 doesn't come in 2 table, 3 table, 4 table, 5 table. Yes, 5 table. Now 5 how many are 25? 5 5s are 25. Put the horizontal now. Horizontal line now. Now 5. 5 is divisible by 5 itself. 5 ones are 5. Next number is 15. 15 doesn't come in 2 table. So start with 3 table. 3 how many are 15? 3 5s are 15. Next 5 is divisible by 5 itself. 5 ones are 5. So here what are the prime factorization of 25 is 5 5s are. Next 15 is 3 5s are. So here which is common children? 5 is common. So write that common only once first. 5. Next which is the remaining number? 5 and 3. So 5 and 3. Now 5 5s are 25. 25 3s are 75. Then the LCM of 25 and 15 by prime factorization is 75. Next prime factorization of 12. So that is start dividing 12 by division method. So 12 comes in. Start with 2 table. 2 how many are 12? 2 6 are 12. Again 6 is divisible by 2. 2 how many are 6? 2 3s are 6. Now 3 1s are 3. Next number is 20. So start with 2. 2 how many are 20 children? 2 10s are 20. Next again 10 is divisible by 2. So 2 how many are 10? 2 5s are 10. 5 1s are 5. Now write the prime factorization of 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. So 2 into 2 into 3. Next prime factorization of 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. Now which is common? 2 is common. So first write 2 once. Next again 2 is common. Again write only once 2. Next remaining numbers are 3 and 5. So now if you multiply, what you will get children? 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. 12 5s are 60. So 60 is the LCM of 12 and 20 by prime factorization method. Next, using this same method, prime factorization method, find the LCM of given number, that is 60 and 20. 16 and 20. So start dividing. 16 comes in 2 table. 2 how many are 16 children? 2 8s are 16. Next again 8 is divisible by 2. 2 4s are 8. 4 is divisible by 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Again 20, that is start with 2 small number. So 2 how many are 20? 2 10s are 20. Next again 2 5s are 10. Now 5 is possible only in 5 table. 5 1s are 5. So now write what is the prime factorization of 16? That is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Next, what is the prime factorization of 20? 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now consider which is common. Write ones first. 2. Again 2 is common here. Write 2. Next, nothing is common. Write the remaining number. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. Now write the multiplication of this number. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8 here. 2 2s are 4. 4 2s are 8. 8 2s are 16. 16 5s are 90. Next, write the prime factorization of 18 and 27. So start with the 18. 2 how many are 18? 2 9s are 18. So 9 doesn't come in 2 table, 3 table. So 3. Start with 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 again. 3 1s are 3. Next with 27. So 27 doesn't come in 2 table, children. So start with 3. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. So what is the prime factorization of 18 is 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. What is the prime factorization of 27? 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. So now write first the common things, children. So here we have 3 common. So write it once. So here also we have common. So write it one time. Next, remaining numbers are 2 multiplied by 3. So here 3 3s are 9. 9 3s are 27. 27 2s are 54. So what is the prime factorization of 18 and 27 is 54. Next, find the prime factorization of 12 and 22. Children, this topic is very important because it gets continued in 6th standard and 7th standard. So here the 5th standard topics are very much important, children, because you have to learn and practice, because it will be continued in 6th and 7th. If you don't learn this topic, the basic topics, you will feel very difficult in further classes. So learn, understand and practice well. 12 and 22. So start with 12. So start dividing by 2. 2 6 are 12. 2 3s are 6. 3 1s are 3. Next 22. 2 11s are 22. 11 is a prime number, so it can be divided by 1 and itself. So 11 1s are 11. So what are the factors of 12? 2 prime factors, that is 2 into 2 into 3. These are all prime numbers because we are finding the prime factorization. Okay, all the numbers are in prime. So 2 into 11. So write first common things, that is 2. Write only once time. Don't write double time. The common you have to write only one time. So next remaining numbers are multiplied by 2, multiplied by 3, multiplied by 11. 2 2s are 4. So you can multiply easily. 11 3s are 33. 33 2s are 66. 66 2s are 132. Next, find the prime factorization of 20 and 35. So next 20, 2, how many are 20? 2 tens are 20. Next 2, how many are 10? 2 fives are 10. 5 ones are 5. Next 35. So 35 doesn't come in 2 table because the ones place is 5. So 5 comes only in 5 table or 3 table. So 35, no, 35 doesn't come in 3 table. So take 5 table. 5 sevens are 35. 7 is a prime number, children. So 1 and itself. So 7 ones are 7. Now what are the prime factorization of 20 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5. What are the prime factorization of 35 is 5 sevens are 35. So which is common, children? Yes, 5 is common here, isn't it? Yes. Now write the first common things 5. Next remaining numbers 2 into 2 into 7. 5 twos are 10, 10 twos are 20, 27s are 140. That is 7 twos are 14. So 27s are 140. Next find the prime factorization of 54. How much you practice, you become perfect. So especially in mathematics. So it is a bigger number. So divide first one digit. So 5. So 2 how many are 5? 2 twos are 4. 1 remainder becomes 14. 2 sevens are 14. So 27 doesn't come into table. So start with 3 table. 3 nines are 27. 3 threes are 9. 3 ones are 3. Next number is 38. So start with 2. 2 ones are 2. Take 1 remainder 18. 9s are. 19 is a prime number. So 19 doesn't come in any other table. So 19 ones are 19. So what are the prime factorization of 54? 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Next, what are the prime factorization of 38? 2 multiplied by 19. Which is common, children? Yes. 2 is common. So write it once. 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 19. So 2 3s are 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 3s are 54. 54 19s are is 1026. I hope, children, you have understood today's topic. Practice well, understand the topic, keep learning, keep going. Thank you, children.